Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my channel. Your coach Magno is here. Yes, I know you're thrilled because you are finding me here again. And I want to continue from part one. I'm going to make a little correction. I need to add an N right here. So that should be columns. I think everything else looks the same. And the only thing also I wanted to add too is on the first one, we did not create the shape right here. So it says that you have three columns. So these are the three columns right here, and it has it six in each layer. So this is going to be 3 times 2 over here. That will be 6. So now I have to show that 4 times and make sure you can see it on the side too. So now this has to match our this situation that we did right here. So this should be the length equals 3, the width equals 2, and the height equals 4. This is the height equals 4. Okay, let's do one more and then we're done for today. Okay, let's do the multiplication. Let's do layers first. So let's look at this. As you can see, our shape has 3 layers. All right, so now let's do the mathematics with 3 layers. So we're going to take them apart so you can see the layer. This is layer 1, layer 2, and layer 3. So now you can see it's 3 layers times how many cubes in each layer. I'm going to write these cubes right here. So it's going to be 3 times 2 equals 6. So it's 3 times 2 equals 6 cubes. And the volume is going to be your answer here, volume. So it's 3 times 3 equals 9. 9 times 2 equals 18. So that is 18 cubic units. All right, let's get to the next part. The next part, we're going to look at columns. So we're going to look at columns. So those are our layers. And we're going to see, we see 3 columns. Let me separate them for you. This is column number 1. And this is column number 2 and 3. These are the ones. And let me give you a little tour of this, what it looks like. That one doesn't want to stay there. Okay, that's okay. So as you can see, each of them have 6. 3 times 2 equals 6. 1, 2, 3. That's 1, 2. That's 2 times 3 equals 6. So they all have 3. So now we're looking at columns. So we have 3 columns times. So the column, each column has 2 times 3. That means 6 cubes in each one. 6 times 3 equals 18 cubic units. Okay, so that's the one. Let's do now our next column. There's another way you can break this one in columns. If you look at the side view, this is your side view of this shape, this solid figure. There it is. So now let's look at the side view. Here we go. Let me show you. Dun, 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 dun. And there is the side view. You can see that 2 columns. Now we're going to separate the 2 columns. So we have 2 columns right here. Got it? So each column, so now we're going to write 2 columns. Let me see if I can get my hands. No, that's going to be not too very good. So that is 2 columns. So we're going to write 2 columns. Let me out of focus again. 2 columns. Oh, look at this. I need an S right here. 2 columns. It might be my accent. Okay, now, so let's see how many cubes do we have in each column. And let's turn this around and take a closer look. Okay, now we can see that this is 3. It's a 3 by 3. 3 by 3. Well, that's 9. 3 times 3 equals 9. And you can count them all, and you will see that there are 9 as well. Okay, let's get back to our aerial view. And we're going to do that. We said that it was a 3 by 3. So it's going to be 3 times 3 equals 6. So 6 times 2 equals 6 times 2 equals 12. That doesn't make sense. There's a mistake somewhere in here. So 3 layers, 3 times 2 equals 6. This one is 3 times, okay, I'm sorry. 3 times 3 equals 9. This is a 9 right here. 9 times 2 equals 18. I was doing the multiplication wrong. Well, that tells you that anybody can make mistakes. Okay, it is easy to make mistakes. That's why you have to check. So now we have 3 different ways to find the volume of this shape. Watch the video again. Make sure you understand this. It's very important because here's what happens. These numbers are going to become larger. Okay, now let me just quickly show you how to create this shape. So we're going to, it says 3 layers. I'm going to go 3 layers. 1, 2, 3 layers. And then I'm going to show them 3 layers right here. And it says that we have 3 by 2, that's 6. So I need to show that this is a prism. And I have to show 3 by 2. So there has to be 3 right here and 2 on the side. And now I'm going to follow this diagonal line across and across. And that should show all of what I have in here. That should be the shape. And recall that, remember, again, don't forget, always label these things and know that this is the length equals 3, the width equals 2, and the height equals 1, 2, 3, 3. And those are all the numbers that we have here. Signing out, your coach. I hope you had a nice weekend. Enjoy my learning. This is a good idea. Learning, it's good. Your brain needs it. Your your skull has the organ that it's always needs this information. Thinking time. Become a good mathematician, my friend. Signing out, your coach.